What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be installing the Aliexpress special dynamic turn signals for your mirrors. So these are for the Mark 7 Mark 7.5 Golfs. I decided to go with a clear lens because today's video is sponsored by Badgeskins. Quick brief stuff on Badgeskins. If you guys don't know what it is, it's basically decals and overlays for your Golfs and other makes and models. What you can do is fully customize yourself to have colors on your logos, some blacked out on the chrome, some tinting on the lights and the reflectors. So with Badgeskins, everything's fully customizable to what you like in your preference, and it just transforms the car completely. As you guys probably seen before on my Instagram, during the car check, that my last video, I showed off the yellow tint for the turn signals on the mirror caps. And the reason why I went clear is because if you go smoke, then you can't see the yellow. So I did clear. Shout out to Badgeskins like always. I will leave a link down in the description, of course, and go check them out. So I'm gonna bring the car inside. It's cold. Let's let the car warm up because I have carbon fiber mirror caps on the car and I don't want them to break or anything. So we'll bring the car in, warm up the car inside, and then install these dynamic turn signals. So let's go. In the box we got the turn signals. Let me just pull this out. So we got the turn signals. Also, they include a pry tool piece and a Torx T10, which is what you need. So I'm gonna let the car warm up a bit, and then we're gonna take off the mirror caps and then swap the lights. Tilt the mirrors all the way down because I don't want to hurt the motor. And then once you tilt the mirrors down, you should be able to see there's the two spots where the mirror caps are clipped into. So I'm gonna use a flashlight to look inside to make sure, and then we're gonna unclip these mirror caps. Taking a look inside, you can see those two tabs. 1, 2. Kind of hard to tell on camera, but those are the two tabs. And we're gonna have to pop those off and the mirror cap will just come right off. So once that's out, sorry for the background noise, it's gonna look like this. We're gonna have the Torx screws there, and a little tight, but we're gonna have to unscrew this, unscrew that, and we'll be able to take the turn signal out. This is the OEM carbon fiber mirror cap, as you can see. Part number, and super light, carbon fiber. Very cool. Yeah, so we're gonna take these two Torx out and then go from there. Because this one's really tight here, it's nice to have a magnet. Pry this back, and then you'll let the magnet pull the screw out of that one. This one's pretty easy. You want to take needle nose pliers and squeeze that together. Give yourself some more wiggle room, and then we're going to use a trim tool to pry this out and take the light out. And you should probably release that right there while it's on, so as you have more wiggle room once you disconnect everything. What you got to do next is pry this section first so it gets out of that hole, and then start prying from here. And as I was saying, there's like a lip that goes all the way around here, and what you want to do is pry starting here, pry around, and this bottom cover has a lot of flex, so once that's out, the whole turn signal just pops out just like that. Pretty easy. Just be careful because everything's fragile, and if you can see here, it's like not snapped, but you can see like the plastic's worn down all over there. So now we're just gonna get one of our new signals, hook it up, make sure it works, and then put it inside. To install it back is the same way you took it out, and then put that trim back on. And it actually fits okay. Fits no problem. We're just gonna put the mirror cap back on, and let me show you guys here. Works no problem. You like it?
Good. Oh yeah. So it signals like that, right?
Yeah.
Oh sweet.
I didn't want to force it. You'll get just a tiny little gap, but other than that, like, the fitment's fine. And the fitment is different with the carbon fiber mirror caps, just to let you guys know. When we were testing out the tint overlay, the carbon fiber mirror cap runs really flush, so just be mindful of that. So this is in. I just need to put the 2 screws, but I'm gonna plug this in. Make sure everything works. Working fine. And the thing with this is it's really bright. So in the daytime you'll see, and at night you'll see even better. Looks really good. Nice quick touch. Takes about like an hour max, and I'm taking my time right now. So I'll update you guys when everything's ready, and then we will head over to tint these and see how it looks with the yellow tint, because now these are gone now. So dynamic turn signals, let's go. So I got the tint vinyl, and we're gonna install it here, and this is how it looks like right now without the vinyl. Pretty basic, but once we get this on, it's going to be looking clean. So we're going to install this, and I'll leave a link to how to install these down below, but here we go. So now I have it on. Got the yellow look. I'm really happy with it. Looks like the one before, but instead we got sequentials, so it's really, really nice. I'm just gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna call it a night. So that concludes the video of the dynamic turn signal install and badge skins overlay. It was just a quick one for the overlay, because I will leave a link down below on the install and how to properly install the tint on your turn signals. It doesn't have to be the dynamic ones. It could be the stock OEM ones. That's probably like the best thing to do to your stock OEM ones, and changes the look completely. But overall, do I recommend getting the dynamic turn signals? I want to say 85-90% yes, because I don't want to discuss it in this video because I can probably just get it fixed. But depending on where you get them from, and Aliexpress, the sellers are changing all the time. You have to go with someone that has high reviews and high orders, and it's still like a bit iffy because, you know, you're paying like 40-50 bucks, pretty cheap for turn signals and all that stuff. So I rated like a 8.59 for this product, only because it's not smooth when the car is running, but when the car is off and I'm unlocking and all that stuff, it's nice and smooth. Install was easy. Fitment is about I want to say 8.5/9 out of 10. Could just be a tad bit better on a couple parts, but honestly, you're paying like $40 Canadian, so that's like $27 to $30 USD. Free shipping takes about 2 to 3 weeks max, and it's pretty easy to install, so you can't really complain that much. But overall, good experience, good install, and with the tint, because I wanted to get white so I can put the yellow tint on. It looks pretty amazing. I don't know. You guys look for yourself. Look for yourself, guys. If you ask me, that's pretty satisfying. So if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below for any videos you want to see in the future. It can be badge skins, it can be parts, it can be talking about controversial things about the Golf R, how the manual or DSG is better. I'll know. You guys leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. That's pretty satisfying.